How to fix join-in problem in Microsoft Teams on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix join-in problem in Microsoft Teams on any Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Teams and click on it, and now click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and after that just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now you need to clear data, but after that you will need to log in again and that will fix your problem. And that's it. Restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.